We want to show you French fries that can be cooked in the microwave in under 5 minutes. These fries are from the most famous and biggest US fries companies, McCain. Let's have a look at the colorful packaging and its content. Okay, let's open it. You have to spread the fries evenly. They shouldn't touch or lie over each other. Now we got to put the fries pack into the microwave for 4 minutes until cooking is finished. The French fries are done now. Look at the texture. They are not overcooked or too dark, but they are still crispy. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.